Danielle Heisel works as office manager at the Zolman Chiropractic Clinic in Le Mars, where they have used the American Red Cross for their first aid and CPR training for several years. Most people think they'll never use the training, but fortunately, Danielle had the skills when it counted most. On April 21, 2013, her son Carter was playing with a toy in his mouth that soon became stuck in his throat. When she found him, he was already turning blue. She yelled for her husband. He called 911 and ran to the neighbors for more help. The ambulance was coming, but still blocks away. By the time her husband BJ and the neighbor had rushed back to the house, they saw the look on Danielle's face. She had used her training from work. She did back blows and chest thrusts. The toy had come out. Danielle was so glad she knew what to do. Danielle's sons think she's a hero just because she's mom, but her husband and neighbors know she is a real life-saving hero.